How much should you actually spend on a floor TV stand? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Pearl Smith Rolling TV Stand. First up is the Pearl Smith Rolling TV Stand. This caught my eye right away because it's portable and super affordable at just $39.99. If you want flexibility in your living space, this is worth a serious look. This stand supports TVs from 23 to 60 inches and can hold up to 88 pounds, which means it's sturdy enough for most setups. The added tilt feature lets you adjust the TV angle by 5 degrees up or 10 degrees down for that perfect viewing experience. It's made of cold-rolled steel, so you won't have to worry about it tipping over easily. Plus, with over 14,700 reviews and a solid 4.6 star rating, it's a favorite among users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have kids or pets, the rolling wheels make it easy to move the TV around safely without damaging the floor. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the manual closely, it's really not that bad. This is perfect for you if you need a mobile stand for a small apartment or want to relocate your TV frequently. Skip this one if you have a large TV or prefer a more stationary setup. For the price, it's a solid deal. Product number 2, Pearl Smith Universal TV Stand Legs. Next up, we have the Pearl Smith Universal TV Stand Legs, priced at $37.99. What really drew me in was the height adjustability feature. If you want to customize your viewing height for the best comfort, this is worth a serious look. This stand accommodates 32 to 70-inch TVs and can support up to 99 pounds. It has 8 levels of height adjustment, which is perfect if you want to set your TV at eye level, especially if you're using a desk or entertainment center. The durable black tempered glass base adds a touch of elegance while ensuring stability. With a 4.6 star rating from over 66,400 reviews, it's clearly a reliable choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you frequently have different people watching from various angles, this height adjustability can make a real difference. A few users mentioned that the base feels a bit lightweight. Here's the thing though, as long as you're using it for TVs within its weight limit, it's sturdy enough for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you have a large flat-screen TV and want to ensure it's positioned just right. Skip this one if you have a wall-mounted setup, as it won't be necessary. Product number 3, Teflon TV Floor Stand. Coming in at $33.99, the Teflon TV Floor Stand is next. I was impressed by its portability and versatility. If you want something that can fit various room setups, this is worth a serious look. It supports TVs from 13 to 50 inches and holds up to 44 pounds, making it ideal for smaller screens. The stand can rotate from portrait to landscape, which is a huge plus for presentations or streaming different types of content. This feature, combined with its adjustable height from 44.6 inch to 52.4, means you can optimize your viewing angle easily. Plus, it has a solid 4.5 star rating from 1,000 reviews, indicating that it's well-liked. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you need a stand for a dorm or a temporary setup, this could really save space while being functional. Some users reported that the rotation feature can be a bit stiff. But honestly, once you break it in, it works fine and offers a sturdy hold. This is perfect for you if you're in a smaller space or need something that's easy to move around. Skip this one if you have a larger TV, as it might not provide the stability you need. Product number 4, YMT Universal TV Floor Stand. Next on the list is the YMT Universal TV Floor Stand, priced at $59.90. This one really caught my attention because of its solid construction. If you want something that looks sleek while being functional, this is worth a serious look. This stand is compatible with TVs ranging from 27 to 70 inches and can hold up to 88 pounds. The base is made from heavy-duty tempered glass, which not only looks great, but adds stability. It also features a swivel option to easily view from different parts of the room. With a 4.7 star rating from around 1,800 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're setting it up in a larger space, the swivel can help you avoid awkward angles and improve your overall viewing comfort. Now, Some users found the initial assembly to be a bit complex. I'll be real with you. If you follow the clear instructions, it's manageable and worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish stand that can accommodate a larger TV. Skip this one if you're short on space, since it might take up more room than you'd prefer. Product number 5, Refiver Mobile TV Stand. Last but not least, we have the Refiver Mobile TV Stand for $39.98. It stood out to me because of its strong design and mobility. If you want something that's both sturdy and easy to move, this is worth a serious look. This stand supports TVs from 23 to 65 inches and can hold up to 88 pounds. The fact that it has adjustable height and a shelf makes it quite versatile for different setups. It's made from alloy steel, promising durability, and has a 4.6-star rating from over 7,300 reviews. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you need the ability to move your TV for different occasions, this stand can easily roll around without hassle. However, some users noted that the shelf could be a bit flimsy under heavier devices. Here's the thing though, if you're mindful about what you place on it, it remains functional and safe. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible option for various environments like offices or living rooms. Skip this one if you need something permanent and heavy-duty. There you have it. We've looked at the Pearlsmith Rolling TV Stand, the Pearlsmith Universal TV Stand Legs, the Tavon TV Floor Stand, the YMT Universal TV Floor Stand, and the Refiver Mobile TV Stand. Each has its unique strengths depending on your needs. So, whether you're after something portable, adjustable, or stylish, there's definitely an option here for you.